बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं सेकंड पार्ट और पीपीएससी बॉटनी पेपर का, जो कि 29 मई को था। सो लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 21। Question number 21 was about meiosis. Meiosis in pteridophytes occurs at which stage? We know कि meiosis जो plants हैं इनके अंदर sporulation के दौरान होगी, that is spore formation. As you can see the life cycle of a fern as well, but in other plants as well. एनिमल्स में गमीट प्रोडक्शन के टाइम पे और प्लांट्स में स्पोर फॉर्मेशन के टाइम पे स्पोरिलेशन का प्रोसेस होगा, मियोसिस का प्रोसेस होगा। The mode of nutrition in rhizopus, yeast and penicillium is they're all saprophytic, that is they feed upon dead and decaying matter. That's why right option is Charlie. And number 23, plants producing seeds but no flowers, they are actually gymnosperms. They produce naked seeds without formation of flowers. 24, a seed covered with fleshy red or blue mass is found in Ephedra beta, and plants with vascular system, independent sporophyte and independent gametophyte, they are ferns. They're having independent sporophyte and gametophyte generation. So right option is Charlie. In all other cases, either sporophyte or gametophyte is dependent upon the other generation. And एक उर्दू प्रोवर्ब गिवन कि उसमें से लाइक ये चल एक बात है, इसमें छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात। Number 27, which light is least absorbed during photosynthesis? तो वैसे तो ये गिवन ऑप्शंस पे डिपेंड करेगा, बट जब आप एब्जॉर्प्शन स्पेक्ट्रम देखते हैं तो उसमें ग्रीन येलो लाइट लीस्ट एब्जॉर्ब होती है। सो गिवन ऑप्शन में से अगर ये ऑप्शन हो ग्रीन की, तो ग्रीन लीस्ट एब्जॉर्ब होगी, और जो ज्यादा रिलेटिवली एब्जॉर्ब होती है वो ब्लू रेंज की लाइट और जो आपके पास रेड रेंज की लाइट है, ये एज कम्पेयर टू अदर लाइट रेंजेस ज्यादा एब्जॉर्ब होगी। सो राइट ऑप्शन है यहाँ पे गिवन ऑप्शंस के एतबार से ग्रीन। नंबर 28, द प्लांट यूज्ड बाय मेंडल, आप लोग जानते हैं दैट वाज पाइजम सेटाइवम, और राइट ऑप्शन होगी इसमें अल्फा। नंबर 29, all of the following characters distinguish monocot from dicot except मोनोकॉट और डाइकॉट में आप डिफरेंस वेरियस बेसिस पे देखते हैं, सीड कॉटिलिडन्स, इवन रूट, फ्लावर, लीफ और वेस्कुलर बंडल। बट प्रेजेंस और एब्सेंस ऑफ वेस्कुलर बंडल इस बेस पे आप डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते, एज यू नो कि मोनोकॉट डाइकॉट दोनों एंजियोस्पर्म्स और दोनों में वेस्कुलर बंडल प्रेजेंट होगा। सो डेल्टा गिवन ऑप्शंस में से। नंबर 30, स्टॉक ऑफ द लीफ, वी नो इट्स पेरिसल और सॉरी पेटियोल, और जो फ्लोरल बर्ड है या फ्लावर है उसमें पेरिसल और पेडनकल की टर्म्स यूज होती हैं। फ्लोरिड एक स्मॉलर फ्लावर को आप जब पढ़ते हैं रिड्यूस फ्लावर, सो या पार्ट ऑफ द कंपाउंड फ्लावर। नंबर 30 में राइट ऑप्शन बाहर पेरिस, सॉरी इट्स रॉन्गली मार्क्ड, इट्स एक्चुअली पेटियोल। पेटियोल इज द base of the leaf and pedicel is used for flower base. So right option इसमें given में होगा petiole. Number 31, a mechanism in which plant that bears its pollinating buds well above the ground, they are known as phanerophytes. And there are so many other types of the plants depending upon their survival during unfavorable conditions. So right option इसमें है 31 में beta. 32, Delhi Convention was led by Mr. Qaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah, so right option is alpha over here. And number 33, Spirogyra is commonly known as, it has so many names, it's commonly called pond scum, water silk, or even blanket weed due to its appearance. So right option is all of these. 34, the end product of dark reactions. Dark reactions are Kelvin cycle. They make use of carbon dioxide gas, ATP and NADPH, and ultimately produce sugar, NADP, and ADP as well. So according to the given options, sugar must be the answer. Otherwise, ATP and NADPH, they are used during dark reactions. And NADH, it is a coenzyme of respiration rather than photosynthesis. So right option इसमें है आपके पास alpha, sugar. 35, a city located in 118 islands, it is, Venice, Italy. So right option is beta. Which one is not a pollutant? Normally, CO2 is not a pollutant, it is a normal component of air, and others in the list they are pollutants, common pollutants. 37. Richest plant diversity is found in tropical area, tropical regions, and New World tropics, almost having 1 lakh species or 1/3 of all plants on the earth. So right option is alpha over here. The organelle having hydrolytic enzymes, they are lysosomes which are involved in intracellular digestion in so many cases, and sunken stomata in deeper depressions they are found in xerophytes for is a strategy for water conservation. So right option is Charlie over here. Number 40. Primary data is also known as raw data, and right option is beta. Largest snake in the world, they are python, so beta is the right option over here. Which of the following is known as reindeer moss? It is basically cladonia or reindeer cup lichen, which is a type of light-colored fruticose lichen. So beta is the right option in this case. And 44. Process in which water body becomes enriched in nutrients is called eutrophication, which ultimately leads to the destruction of that water body. And control plus n is used for opening a new file, beta. Number 46, a spike having unisexual flower is known as catkin, and usually they are having male flowers in that catkin. So right option is alpha. Red color is the example of qualitative trait. Qualitative trait, they are quite different, distinctive. Red color flowers, white color flowers, and purple color flowers, or you can say red, white, and pink. In cases of Carl Coren experiments, we have discussed about that. And continuous characters or quantitative variations, they are having minor differences and usually give a bell-shaped curve. While qualitative traits, they are quite distinctive to form clear-cut bar chart diagrams. Number 48, iodine can be obtained from laminaria, the common source of iodine. It's a kelp or marine large brown algae. Number 49, which of the following is not an underground stem? Underground stem includes ginger, colchicea, and potatoes as well. But turnip, it's an underground root with a carrot as well as radish. So right option is alpha. Where there is a will, there is a way. So beta is the right answer. Leftover questions will be discussed in the upcoming video, inshallah. That was all about 21 to 50th question in PPSC Botany paper, which took place on 29th May. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.